Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will to share with you an unboxing and first look of a new Shieldon knife that I got donated from Shieldon Knives themselves to my channel so that I can make a review or slash unboxing to share with my subscribers. So this one will be the model BOA. It is the model number 9043G. uh, Obviously, we have really nice packaging, like I did show on my previous videos. Nicely, all basic informations are described on the front. So if you are somebody who is caring about these things, that it will be a big plus for you. So inside the box, we have literature. And these are the instructions, and I mentioned it in previous videos that they will include also in Czech. So if you are from my country or the neighbors, Czech Republic, then you could read this in your own language. So really nice. I did never see that done by any other companies. So it's a QR code, you can go check them out. I will put links obviously down below. So once again, big thanks to the marketing director at Shieldon Knives that made this happen, this collaboration. And now let us continue with the knife. But I forgot to show you the pouch. So this is obviously yet again another good thing that Shieldon Knives made. Lots of companies will give you those zipper bag style pouches that you can not carry and not use for anything else. Maybe if you are traveling with lots of knives in your bag, but this one is really nice because you can put it on your belt, detach it if you need to in hurry, and of course velcro, neoprene inside, and is also leather lined. So definitely lots of engineering went into designing this really nice contrasting stitching. So yeah. Okay, so the BOA takes the name of a Pokemon. Of course, I mentioned it in my first video. Lots of companies are trying to invent different names for their products, for their knives. Some of them will use birds, some of them will use numbers. Shieldon Knives did go the route of Pokemon names. They did try to find some features that the in-house designer named Django did design the knife, and they will try to find a suitable name for it. So the name is BOA. This is definitely a really nice and sturdy EDC knife. So you can see there the category for this one is work, definitely. So just a quick information about the company. I will put all links down below. You can go check out their websites. They are a really large OEM manufacturer from China. They started production in 1998, and since then offering their OEM and ODM services to the public. And currently they offer also the Shieldon branded, their in-house branded knives for the public. Okay, so the overall specifications, let's talk about them a little bit. We have a overall length of 22.2 centimeters, that is 8.7 inches. The blade is 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches long. The blade width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The blade thickness is 3.5 millimeter or 0.14 inches. The handle length is 12.5 centimeters or 5 inches, and the thickness without a pocket clip is 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Shieldon Knives will give you all the information regarding the materials on their website, so if you like, you can go check everything also there. But for convenience, I will tell you that the liners are stainless steel made out of 3CR14. The blade is D2 with this really nice gray titanium coating, with a really nice Tanto point. We have a flat grind. The scales are made out of 3-layer colored G10. So we have yellow, white, and black. Liners are nicely skeletonized with deep pockets for weight reduction. Stainless steel pocket clip, of course. Liner lock. Everything is nicely coated with the same titanium, gray titanium coating. Open back construction, so you can definitely quickly blow through if any kind of dirt and grime will develop inside. After all, this was designed to be a really workhorse of a knife. Pivot assembly features a ceramic caged ball bearing washer on both sides, of course, to have a really nice and smooth action. So we have perfect centering. You can open it with the dedicated flipper, of course. There is also a option to middle finger flick it, but it's a little bit problematic with the gloves, of course. Or you can slowly open it with the opening hole right there. Shieldon logo on one side, BOA, name of the knife, and Django, the designer. D2 specification of the blade is on the flipper tab, so really nice and clean. Then we also give you information about what hardware are using. So we have T8 on the pivot, T6 on the body, and T7 on the pocket clip. The pocket clip is stainless steel, banded construction. We have medium to tight fit. Let me show you the pocket profile really quickly. So it will go with no problem. They kept the lip really nice and tight. Maybe if it was a little bit higher, then it will be a better possibly insertion, but nothing problematic there. As you can see, the smoothness of the G10 will protect your fabric. Also, really nice and neat feature that I observed on this one is that they put these milled out patterns or jigging on the top and the bottom part of the knife for better grip features. So definitely really nice. These scales are nice and contoured to give you this beautiful profile of the many layers of the G10. Really large lanyard hole for all your lanyard needs. The weight comes in 127.2 grams or 4.5 ounces. We have also a jimping on the top of the blade. Nicely done. Now let me show you the sharpness. So Yes, this is really nice and sharp. So they usually will also give you information about the angles. They keep it from 15 to 20 degree, so definitely a razor sharp edge on this one. So definitely will be begging to use it on some opening or packaging and tearing up some boxes. Okay, one more information is about the variants that are currently available. Uh, you have a gray titanium coating like this one you can see in this video. Then there is also a black titanium coating, and there is also a black stonewash. So definitely all different variants are available you can choose from. If you would ask me personally, I probably would go with the black acid wash, but since this will donate it to the channel, uh, I could not choose. But probably the black stone wash will be the best, as if you would like to use this one as a EDC main EDC carry. D2 can rust, of course. It is not a stainless steel, so therefore big thumbs up that they used any kind of coating of them. Lots of companies will give you just a satin belt finish on the D2, and that could potentially rust really easily, really fast. So yeah. Okay, now let us continue. Before we continue with the size differences with the different knives, let me talk about the pricing. So pricing, they have this the MSRP of $73.68. Shieldon Knives will give you also the information about the map pricing, so which is the minimum pricing you can find at dealers, and that is $51.38 sorry, $51.58. And if you are looking for a dealer, then I did find availability at Wally Mountain Knives, so I will put the link down below for your convenience. You can get different versions of this knife right there. Okay, so now let's continue with the size differences. So let's start with obviously a red model 1, which has a similar purpose, so EDC, adventure outdoor use. Let us continue with the Pelican from QSP. Here is a Cebu 2 knives, Aris from Kubi, Kaiser Lighter 2, Little Main Street from Concept, Elementum from Civivi, Penguin from QSP, Spyderco and Dura, Large Griptilian from Benchmade, Bonfire from Berkeley Plus, $940 from Benchmade, Kershaw Blur, Rough Rider Peanut, and K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall, I must say a really nicely executed knife. Not to talk about any negatives, because I could not find any negatives on the unit itself. Probably what I would like to have is, of course, like I always try to share my personal preferences, and there is a deep carry pocket clip, but that obviously could be changed in the future when modifications are done or versions are done for this knife. Lots of company when they got the feedback from the customers, then they will choose to edit the design, and we did see that in the past. So, but definitely nothing else could be told bad about this knife. Action is really nice, fit and finish, everything is nice and smooth, so nicely contoured, and this beautiful Tanto point shape. So really one really unique blade profile that they designed for this knife. So you don't see enough of knives that have these Tanto point different configurations available. So I'm really happy to see that Shieldon Knives did go with some of these designs, maybe to fill the hole in the market. Who knows? Okay, but that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. Definitely there'll be a few more, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also other stuff regarding my other hobbies. Okay, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.